Want to keep your iPhone at 100% battery health for as long as possible? I will show you the real habits Apple engineers recommend, not the fake battery myths. Now, battery health dropping fast is one of the biggest iPhone complaints. The truth is, battery health will drop over time, but if you follow these steps, you can slow it down dramatically and keep it at 100% for months longer. So step number 1 is to turn on optimize battery charging. Now what it does, it stops charging at 80% and finishes later, reducing the battery stress. So on the phone, you want to go into settings and then you tap on battery. So you scroll down and tap on battery. In here, tap on battery health and charging. So battery health in here and charging. So tap on charging and turn on optimize battery charging. So you want to turn on. Okay, so turn on and then tap on the back key. By leaving this off, it is one of the fastest ways to lose your battery health. Okay, step number 2 is to avoid heat. Heat kills batteries. Heat is the battery health enemy number 1. So you want to avoid charging under a pillow that will accumulate heat. You want to avoid leaving your phone in a hot car or playing game or filming while charging your iPhone. If your iPhone feels hot while charging, unplug it. Step number 3 is to avoid or stop charging your iPhone to 100% all the time. Charging to 100% daily stresses the battery. So the best practice is to keep charging between 20% to 80% most days. Charge to 100% only when you need it or when it is urgent. This alone can extend battery health lifespan by months. Step number 4 is to use Apple or certified chargers only. The cheap chargers can cause unstable voltage and that will damage your battery life cycle or the health. So always use Apple chargers, MFI certified cables, use 20 watt fast charger, safe when used correctly. And a bad cable can silently damage your battery health. Step number 5 is to avoid wireless charging overnight. With wireless charging, it can generate more heat, and the best option is to use a wire cable to charge overnight. Or you can use MagSafe with a proper ventilation. Wireless charging is convenient but worse for the battery health. Okay, number 6 is to keep your iOS updated with the latest version. So in settings, you can scroll down and tap on general, then tap on software update and make sure it is up to date with the latest version. Apple silently fixes battery management bugs from time to time. So always ensure you have the latest version on your iPhone. And step number 7 is to not let the battery hit 0%. Deep discharge wear the battery faster. So the rule is to plug in your charger at 20% to 30% and avoid a full drain whenever possible. And the important truth is no iPhone batteries will ever stay at 100% forever. Over time, the battery will degrade and the battery health will slowly decline over time. But you can try to do whatever you can to keep it at the maximum performance or as close as possible to 100%. So by following some of the tips that I have given you, you can help to keep your battery at 100% for 6 to 12 months longer than the average. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.